You look like Thanos from the back. Because you're fat. Well,
Yeah,
uh, nothing. Oh, do you
I look
think
like.
me killing this cow will make our vegan viewers upset?
Probably not. I mean, maybe.
Nah, it's too late. Okay.
Okay.
Should put a warning like before I do that. If you're vegan,
Look
please.
away if you're squeamish.
If you're gay. Alright, let's go. Adventure time. Come on, grab your friend. Na 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 na. Na na na.
Was Jake the
Jake the
fan and dog the
dog.
human?
Fun never ends. Adventure time.
What the hell?
No!
What the?
No, what? It's. Yeah, why would he do that, Ho? That's so weird.
What the hell are you doing?
Nothing.
Alright, I think we should move. We should move this farm like one to the side because like melons need one extra block to grow.
I think you should suck my like right now.
What are we doing then?
What?
You said we're gonna do something.
Oh yeah. We should finish the farm.
For sure.
You finish the farm. I'm gonna cook some stone.
Alright, bloody fucking.
Yeah. You should also figure out how to plant watermelon seeds.
Did you Google it or no?
Nina, did you Google it? Dumbass.
Why?
She
Ay,
forgot.
perre.
Are you good?
A swimming thing.
Oh, it's fine. Just kill it. Just murder it.
Okay.
So let's talk about girlfriends.
No, let's not do that.
Why not?
No reason. No reason.
No particular reason at all.
Huh?
You just don't wanna.
I don't understand.
Are you gay?
No, what the fuck? That's so random.
Es que Joel eres joto. Eres
Es
espito.
que.
Es que te apestan
Come
las
on.
nalgas.
Who's
Nina!
falling? Jingle the Mary.
Hey, don't say that. We're PG over here at the Penthouse.
Oh yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
I feel you, dog.
You pick up what I'm dropping.
I'm docking what you're mopping.
Are you really?
No.
And I'm gonna eat your booty. What? You're gay. Yo, man, that's asco. Please don't ever talk to
That's
me again.
ass.
That's asco. Um, Joel,
Yeah.
how much stone do you need?
I fucked up. Why did I even do that? Look,
What did he do?
I made an extra thing because I thought it had to be even, but it was already good.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I'm gonna have to put it back.
Oh, you're dumb. Hey, hello.
What?
Um, you're what? How do you do?
El
Okay,
primer
then
paso es parar de ser joto.
what do you do? Yeah, déjala. I'll figure it out. Sleep, 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 sleep.
Alright, hold on.
Whoa, hurry up.
I'm gone.
Wow, sleep, sleep.
I've
Oh,
been
where's your horse?
sleeping.
Bro, stop! What are
Where
you
is it?
doing? Stop! I didn't do. I don't know. Where'd it go? It's just gone. Where'd it
Where is it,
go?
huh?
I don't know. What did he do?
Yes, you
I thought
do. You know exactly where it is.
didn't you take it out and like ride it like up this hill or some shit?
No, no, no. You're a
I
tin man.
swear to God. I swear. I didn't do shit. I swear.
You're fucking stupid. I already found it.
That's so weird. How did your horse end up on the other side of the house?
Crazy, huh?
That's crazy. Are you gonna bring it back in? You put it on the roof?
Yeah, it's safer up there.
Look, he's looking down at me. Hello.
Oh, because you have carrots.
Yeah, because I don't care. Alright then, leave it on the roof. Like, it's
He's just staring at
whatever.
you eat.
You want some? We'll get some. So, you told me that the next step is to set fire to the whole farm?
That is not the next step now. But,
Oh.
however, I do
Yeah.
need to help finding out how to fucking plant watermelon seeds. Where are the seeds? You have the rest. You have the
Hmm.
rest of them.
Uh, 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 yeah, don't worry about that. I only have one.
All right, put it down.
There.
All right, that works too.
So,
So I don't know how these seeds
watermelon.
work, but yeah.
Maybe we need to ejaculate in them.
No, that's probably not it.
Are you sure?
Perro,
What?
maldito, culero.
What?
Guess what? I did need to do that.
What?
The thing I just did and then undid.
Just walk away. I don't think your phone can handle recording it.
Move. It'd probably look like shit. Move.
You have a shitty phone. Guys, Ho has a Nokia 2 psych. He plays on a telegram.
You get
Okay,
me?
then do it.
I can't because I need to. They need to grow. What do you mean, dude?
Well, let make him grow faster.
Do
Make
you
a
have
bone meal.
bone? It didn't work.
Bruh, this is what I fucking wasted my bone meal on.
Look it up. I'm so confused.
Burn
No,
it!
no. Oh,
Burn it! Oh,
I didn't do anything.
yeah, I didn't.
This is for the greater good of Narnia.
Burn it! Potato, potato, la la la. Hey! Just to make
Pitufo
sure.
maldito.
Ey, cálmate, no seas salvaje.
It was for
That's
the thing. Okay, 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 okay.
right, that's right. Okay, we need to get your horse out of the roof.
No, we
Why
need
the
my
fuck
guy.
am I on? Are you kidding me? Or are
I'm
you
asserting
shitting
that.
me right now?
Try to get to me.
Oh, L, my sheets are all wet.
You can't even touch me. Fuck. Ha! Fool. Now you can't
Shut
reach
up.
me.
Parkour. Parkour. I can't get out. Oh. Parkour. Uh,
You look so
parkour.
bro, you're swimming on nothing. Hold on.
Parkour.
Wait,
Okay,
look.
you do it.
Look,
You
look.
do
Yeah, let's show you.
it. What the fuck? You're like your face is like on the floor.
Bloop, 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 bloop.
What the fuck?
That didn't
Okay,
solve any
let's
of my
go.
problems. Here, I got it. Now record. You heard me?
Bro, you know that Oscar fucked that nigga.
Yeah, good thing he's not listening to us.
And good thing. Like he's like probably the worst member of the penthouse, huh?
Uh-huh.
Like no one likes that nigga. Whoa!
What?
Look at me! 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 Look at me!
Hi.
Okay. Well, for this adventure, we're gonna go camping. It's camping time.
I love camping. Let me just cook some
Yeah, I know you do.
fucking stone real quick.
So in this episode, I mean, today we're gonna go camping out in the mountain that we went on last time, and
Crazy.
not only that, we're gonna stay the night and we're gonna head out at night. No,
Tell
actually, we should
spooky
head out
stories. We're gonna
now.
tell spooky stories.
Yeah, yeah, we're gonna tell. Let's go, Pookie stories. And we gonna say, Pookie stories,
Shut the
and we gonna
fucking.
shut up. Okay, we gotta get ready. So we need to take food. I have 35 carrots, a pollo. As I was saying, I have 35 carrots, un pollo,
Un pollo
and this
entero.
Nazi flag. Oh, what the bro? Look,
What?
I put the banner down and it's like going through the fucking floor.
What the
What? Is this legal?
Satanas? That's what I
What
meant.
the
That's what I meant
fuck?
when I said like the not anvil. I'm gonna fix my
Oh,
armor.
okay. Makes sense now. Oh, I put it down. Oh, look, it moves.
Huh?
I didn't know. Look, the it's like hanging. It's like
Wait. Let
going
me
back
see
and
real
forth.
quick. What?
You see like how it's like moving like back and forth.
Oh, kick it.
Can I kick it? I'll kick it. No, you can't. It
How do you
just does that.
how do you make it move?
It just does it by itself. But wait, there is no wind. Hmm. Camping trip, camping trip. How can you hurry up? You're always late, bro. For everything we do, we go to the fucking movies. Oh, just give me 2 minutes. You take like 30 minutes in the bathroom putting your makeup on. Come on, move it. Mueve las nalgas.
Okay.
Pinche troll and
Joto,
roll
quiere
low.
que me mueras nada.
No? What? You're crazy. Well, we're gonna be camping in our backyard.
What are you talking about?
Psych! We're gonna go to the mountains.
Okay,
Mountain
I'll go to the
time,
mountains.
mountain time, mountain time. Oh, there's a villager guy behind
Ah!
you.
I thought you were
The fuck?
I thought you were punching me and I
I'm
was like, hey,
I'm
stop it.
outside. That nigga, I told you we had to
You're
fucking
just
put a door on
watching.
that
You're just
fucking.
fucking watching, bro.
No, get him, get him. I hate
Wait,
that
how
nigga.
the fuck did he get inside?
I think he came through the cave, dumbass. I told you we had to cover that shit up. And now you're in there. Block it off. Block it off. Whoa.
¿Qué tipo está listo?
Oh shit, I think there's a drowner over
Okay.
here. Oh
I
yeah.
think he can't swim up, so we're good.
I think it's camping time.
Alright, cool. Let's go.
Camping time, camping time. So today we're gonna. Oh, hurry up! The sun is about to set. Okay, come on, follow me.
Wait, this creeper wants to talk to me.
Oh my god, you stupid son of a bitch.
We'll fix it later. Let me just take all this sugar cane.
Fix tu mal. Okay, let's go. Fuck camping time. Camping time. Where are the mountains?
Ahí viene un culero.
Púrale, mueve las nalgas.